Do you want to have the coolest Halloween house in the neighborhood? I know I want to at least vie for that award. And I saw these orange lights and I was like, I have to have these. It's a 4-pack of 9-watt LED lights, which are about 60 watts in outputs in terms of how bright they are. And I think they will look ridiculously cool. Although I am not sponsored, these were not provided. I actually bought these for my house. Only one thing to do. Let's take them out, put them on, see what they look like. Okay, this is it. This is the moment that my channel goes from a nice normal review channel to some crazy stunt channel. With Southern Florida, it's the evening. This thing's filled with mosquitoes. I'm still gonna change it out so you know what it looks like. This is dedication to my audience. Wow, that looks great. That looks really great. I really like it. I don't know what it looks like. I haven't gone to the back of the camera to see what it looks like to you, but I'm telling you, this thing looks super cool. I'm glad I took that risk for you. My hands have survived. I'm going in before all these mosquitoes come after me. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.